How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 keep restarting. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on device care, and then click on auto optimization, and here you can see the option auto restart. Now click on it, and here you can turn off your auto restart. After turn off auto restart, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now scroll down in last, and here you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then click on reset. After clicking on reset, it will remove all your data in your device. So after factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.